Empower Semiconductor, the world leader in integrated voltage regulators. Following the launch of the EP70 family, the world's first integrated voltage regulator, Empower is now introducing the EP71 family of IVRs. New features include an additional fourth output, programmable GPIOs for features such as multi-chip power sequencing, DVS-on-demand, and support for a wide range of logic levels. Groundbreaking benefits such as zero additional discrete components, ultra-fast transient response, and extensive fault protection continue with this new family of IVRs. The EP71 family provides higher current up to 12 amps from an input source of 3.3 volts and can deliver its output over a range of 0.5 volts to 2.5 volts. Empower's ExpressV dynamic voltage scaling has been further enhanced by DVS-on-demand, resulting in the world's fastest DVS response in a power management solution. Combined with a completely programmable and integrated power sequencer, the EP71 family is the world's most comprehensive power management device. Measuring only 5 mm by 7 mm by 0.7 mm, the EP71 family continues to provide the highest power density solution. Enabled by important enhancements such as a fourth output, a standard 3.3 volts input, and a wider output voltage range, a broader selection of applications can now utilize the benefits of IVRs. For 3.3 volts input systems, high-density power management solutions are necessary for products like active optical and electrical cables and optical transceivers. With its higher power capability, increased programmability and flexibility, the EP71 family will play an important role anywhere in the data center where power density challenges exist. Applications that need careful management of their energy consumption without sacrificing performance can benefit from the enhanced ExpressV DVS-on-demand feature. A GPIO can initiate a voltage transition that results in a total transition time of less than just 400 nanoseconds. The EP71 family features a power input and a VDDIO input to support a wide range of logic levels for rapidly evolving systems. Along with the Enable, Power Good and GPIOs that allow user-defined functions, up to 4 power rails can be created with zero additional discrete components, which is optimal for high-density solutions in 3.3 volt systems. As a result, a 12 amp solution is achieved in just 35 square millimeters, making it the ideal solution for applications that need the best performance with the highest power density. Empower Semiconductor, the world leader in integrated voltage regulators.